To think effectively, it's important to approach problems with an open mind and consider multiple perspectives. Critical thinking involves analyzing information, questioning assumptions, and evaluating evidence. Developing good thinking habits requires practice and a willingness to challenge your own beliefs. Being aware of cognitive biases can help you make more rational decisions and avoid common thinking traps. Embracing creativity and thinking outside the box can lead to innovative solutions and breakthroughs. Effective thinking involves asking the right questions, seeking reliable information, and weighing different options. Being open to new ideas and being willing to change your mind are essential for growth and learning. Practice mindfulness to enhance your focus, reduce distractions, and improve your ability to think deeply. Remember, thinking is a skill that can be developed and honed over time with practice and reflection. So, embrace curiosity, challenge your assumptions, and strive to become a better thinker every day.